Okay, let's jump right in. This is it, the pitch. This is our high-stakes 100-day roadmap designed to really embed generative AI into the very core of our business. And we're starting right now.
So, let's be clear from the get-go. This plan starts with a big promise, because this isn't just another tech project. Nope, this is a direct path to transforming our business from the ground up. The goal is simple, really. Turn generative AI into our core competitive advantage. How are we going to do that? Well, our strategy is laser-focused on 3 very specific opportunities. We're not trying to boil the ocean here. Instead, we're making surgical strikes on our value chain to protect revenue and seriously accelerate growth. First things first, we have to protect our revenue foundation. We're going to build an AI churn model that proactively flags customers who are at risk. This lets us jump in and fix their problems before they even think about leaving. It's a fundamental shift, from reactive support to proactive retention.
Okay, next up, we optimize our growth engine. AI lead scoring is going to completely change the game. It'll rank every single incoming prospect by how likely they are to buy. This means our sales and marketing teams can stop guessing and start focusing their energy only on the leads with the highest potential. The entire sales cycle gets faster. And finally, we're going to give our sales team what amounts to a superpower. We're building an AI qualification agent that will act as a personal research assistant for every single rep. Think about it. It slashes all that manual research time and arms them with the deep intelligence they need to close deals, to win. So those are the 3 big plays. They sound great, right? But the absolute best ideas are worthless without a rock-solid plan for execution. And that's where the real magic is. Our roadmap is all about building momentum, starting with a quick win and building towards a lasting strategic advantage. And here it is, our 100-day sprint. We kick things off with Churn Prediction, then we move to lead scoring, and we cap it off with the sales agent. And trust me, this sequence isn't random. It's deliberately designed for maximum impact right out of the gate.
So what's the logic here? As you can see, the business benefit for all 3 projects is high. That's a given. The real deciding factor for the order is feasibility. We're starting with what we can deliver the fastest to secure that crucial early win and build momentum.
And this really lays out the thinking perfectly. We start with Churn Prediction because it's the definition of a quick win. We already have all the internal data we need. It's low-hanging fruit with a massive, immediate impact. We end with the more complex sales agent because it actually gets smarter and more effective by using the data from the first 2 projects. It's a strategic build. Okay, so we have the what and the when. Now for the how. How do we actually build the engine to make all this happen? How are we going to organize ourselves to make sure we execute with absolute excellence? We're going to use what's called a federated model. Now, don't worry about the jargon. It's actually pretty simple. You can just think of it as the best of both worlds. We'll have a central AI team, a center of excellence that sets the standards and best practices. But then we'll have AI specialists embedded directly into our business units to build custom solutions that fit their exact needs.
And why does this work so well? Because it solves that age-old problem, right? The gap between the tech people and the business people. This way, we get technical consistency across the board, but we also drive super fast adoption of AI tools that are customized for the daily workflows where they can make a real, tangible difference.
Now, with all this power comes a ton of responsibility. Our core strategy for managing risk is a human-in-the-loop system. And what that means is simple. Our human experts will always, and I mean always, review and verify the AI's insights before any action is taken. It's all about augmenting our team, making them smarter, not replacing them. This is just so critical. It's our safety net. It prevents the big, costly mistakes, like misclassifying a sensitive customer issue, or chasing a bad lead, or, and this is a big one, trusting an AI hallucination. Our people are the firewall of expertise.